The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
You might think your hands are clean, but how clean are they really? In this experiment, we're going to use slices of bread to reveal the germs we can't see. Let's get started. Here's what you're going to need. 5 to 6 slices of bread, clear resealable sandwich bags, a permanent marker, access to things you touch a lot, a notebook, a cool, dry place to store your bags. The first thing you want to do is label your bags. Now let's begin the test. First, unwashed hands. Touch a slice of bread with your hands before washing them. Get some good fingerprints on it. Then, seal it in the unwashed hands bag. Next, washed hands. Wash your hands really well with warm soapy water. Then, touch a new slice of bread and seal it in the washed hands bag. Then, phone. Use another slice to press lightly against your phone screen. Seal it in the phone bag. Up next, a household surface, like a fridge door or doorknob. Seal it and label it. Finally, our control. Take one slice of bread and put it in a bag without touching it at all. Now, it's all a waiting game. Place all the sealed bags in a cool, dry area, then wait and observe. Keep checking for up to 4 weeks. This experiment shows just how much we spread germs without even noticing. Want to keep doing cool experiments that combine food, science, and health? Just scan the QR code or go to go.osu.edu/themoreYouGrow to find links to more projects or to get connected with the Extension office where you live.
The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.